How is the SRS-2 scored? If you are curious about how the Social Responsiveness Scale, second edition, is scored, you are in the right place. This tool plays a significant role in assessing social behavior related to Autism Spectrum Disorder. Let's break down the scoring process step by step to give you a clear picture. First, the SRS-2 collects responses from a parent, caregiver, or teacher. They rate the presence and severity of social impairment symptoms. These responses lead to raw scores across various domains related to social behavior. The assessment produces raw scores for 5 key domains. These include social awareness, social cognition, social communication, social motivation, and restricted interests and repetitive behavior. Each domain provides insights into different aspects of social functioning. Next, these raw scores are combined to create a total raw score. The score for restricted interests and repetitive behavior can be separated to yield a social communication and interaction score. This separation allows for a more detailed analysis of social deficits and repetitive behaviors. After obtaining the raw scores, the next step is converting them into standardized T-scores. T-scores have a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 10. This conversion is adjusted for the individual's age and gender. It allows for comparison against a normative sample of individuals with Autism Spectrum Disorder. Interpreting T-scores is essential. A T-score of 59 or below is generally considered within normal limits, not indicating Autism Spectrum Disorder. Scores between 60 and 65 suggest mild social impairment. Scores from 66 to 75 indicate moderate social impairment, while scores of 76 or higher suggest significant social deficits. The SRS-2 also aligns with the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 5th edition criteria for Autism Spectrum Disorder. It provides scores for social communication and interaction, as well as restricted interests and repetitive behavior. These subscale scores help clinicians compare observed symptoms with current diagnostic criteria, aiding in diagnosis and treatment planning. While the total score indicates severity, the individual subscale scores guide intervention strategies. They highlight specific social domains where support is needed. Finally, the SRS-2 can be scored manually or through an online scoring program. This program generates detailed reports that assist clinicians in understanding an individual's social functioning. These reports help tailor interventions accordingly. In summary, the SRS-2 scoring process transforms caregiver or teacher observations into standardized scores. This quantifies the severity and nature of social impairments related to Autism Spectrum Disorder. The scoring system supports diagnosis, differentiates Autism Spectrum Disorder from other conditions, and informs personalized treatment approaches.